Today we're going to put both of our hands together on the viola in a very familiar song. But first we're going to review a few things about our elbows. So let's go up onto our shoulder in playing position. And the first thing we'll review is our elbow height on our D string and our A string. So let's go ahead and set our bows right on the D string in the middle of the bow. And notice where your elbow is. We're looking for a nice square between the stick of the bow, your forearm, your upper arm, and then back through the viola. Now we're just gonna drop our elbow just a little bit. We'll rock to the A string and notice what happens to my elbow now that I'm rocking back and forth between the D string and the A string. Now when we use our left hand, the same thing is going to happen with our elbow. So if I'm on the D string, my elbows will be here. And then when I rock to the A string, my elbow changes just a little bit. Both of my elbows rock to put my fingers on the D string, and then they rock back this way to put everything on the A string. So we'll start with a little bit of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with our Everybody Down Up rhythm. I'm gonna start on my D string. I'll play 4 notes for you, and then you'll play them back to me. Here's D. Then A, then B, A, your turn, ready, go. Great, so now we'll do the next part of Twinkle. This is the D major toucher chord. We'll put all 3 fingers down on our D string. That's a G, and we'll do this. Again, I'll play first, and then you'll play after me. I'll do G first, G, F sharp, E, and D. Ready, go. Now let's play the whole A part of Twinkle together. So we'll do D, A, B, A, and then G, F sharp, E, D, all together. 1, 2, ready, go. Today we're going to learn the middle part, or the B part, of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with our Everybody Down Up rhythm. So the first thing we want to do is just make sure that our bow hold is exactly how we want it, that our middle fingers and our pointer finger are hanging over the stick. We've got a nice round pinky, and we've got a nice thumb bump right under there. We want to make sure the bow hold is also nice and loose. So then we'll go up on our shoulder, and we're gonna make sure that we have a nice loose left hand as well, so all of our fingers can go down easily. The B part of Twinkle starts on the A string, and then I'll need to rock my bow over to the D string and put fingers down. So I'll play it for you once, and then we'll try it together. So I'm gonna start on my A string with my Everybody Down Up rhythm. Here I go. Then G, then F sharp, then E, then I rock back to A, G, F sharp, and E. So that's the middle part of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Sometimes in this B section of Twinkle, students will say that they get kind of a squeaking sound that sounds something like this. And that just comes because the hand and the fingers aren't all on the D string. They're hitting the A string a little bit when they try to go to that G. So we can set up a practice routine to help fix that. We'll start on the A string. Rock your bow, drop your fingers. Rock back to A, go. Rock your bow, drop your fingers. So this gives the bow and the left hand a little bit of time to get where it needs to go and get set. Then we can try it even faster. I'll start with A again. Rock, drop. Back to A. Rock, drop. So after you've practiced that a few times, you'll be ready to put it back together with the rest of the B section of Twinkle. Now we will try it together. So go ahead and get your bow set on the A string and get your fingers ready to go. 1, 2, ready, and go. Rock back to A. And now you've learned the middle part, or the B part, of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Great job. Now that we've learned both the A part and the B part of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, we will put them together to play the whole song. So we'll start with the A part, then the B part, then the A part again, and we're using our everybody down up rhythm. Again, we'll make sure that our bow hold is nice and loose and flexible, and we've got our pinky on top and our thumb bump underneath. We'll make sure our left arm and our left hand is nice and loose as well, so our fingers can go down easily. We'll start on the D string together, right in the middle of the bow, with everybody down up. Rock to A. First finger B. A. Now G. F sharp. E. And D. Now here's the B part. A string. G. F sharp. And E. Back to A. G. F sharp. And E. Now the A part again. D string. A string. B. And A. Rock to G. F sharp. E. And D. Great job, everyone. Now you've learned all of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star on your viola.